Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grant County and central Washington, west central Lincoln County until 4:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Crop, or 25 miles northeast of Moses Lake, and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Almira and Govan. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington, Grant and Lincoln.